Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit and Making Sense of Making Money Online. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Welcome. Uh, I wanted to drop this for you guys like me who are freelancers, gig workers, Lyft, Uber, self-employed, and you guys are wondering what's going on with the with your checks. Um, so I just wanted to let you know that it's still available, especially on the unemployment. But I'm gonna break it down for you in a second here. But before I jump right in, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Share this with your friends and family if you think it's some information they can use. And most of all, feel free to make a comment. Welcome. Hey, real quick, I got my screen up for you guys, and this is a real quick video. I just wanted to drop this because I know it's a lot of confusion out there. But look, when you go on most sites, and I went probably like 5 or 10 states, most of them got this, alert if you've been impacted by COVID-19 and you need to file unemployment. Well, that's for people who work, normal, regular jobs, W-2 people. But 1099, typically they'll have it in a different area. And what they call it is PUA, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. So make sure you look for that area and what's going on right now. So if you filed already, that's okay. But it's gonna take us several weeks to get our checks. And so, but look, if you file already, you don't have to file again. Like in Georgia, they're talking about they're going to be uh, modify applications expected for Monday, April 13th. Um, Once the application is received, it will take several weeks to process. So make sure you understand that. Do not fill out another one. Basically, what they're saying, and this is on several sites. This is Georgia's, this is Wisconsin's, and both of them will tell you don't refile. They'll fine you per your 1099 uh, or whatever else that you file. So there's no need to call because you're probably aren't gonna get through anyway. So save yourself the hassle of that. Uh, but just wanted to kind of drop this. Once again, it's called PUA, uh, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. Make sure you find it in the area. If you go and file the regular, you will not get any information other than the fact that and most of the people I've been talking to has come back where it says they don't have you on file, you have no wages for the year, so they won't find you because you're a 1099 self-employed or a gig worker. So make sure you understand that. Uh, so just kind of wanted to drop this. Make sure you look for that when you go to your site, whatever state that you're in. Look for PUA. Okay. This is Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Wanted to drop this to you guys. Also, guys, don't forget to pick up my making sense of credit guide. I just reduced it, and I really kind of understood a lot of people told me that they want it. I appreciate you guys picking up those dispute letters and dispute forms, but a lot of people made comments that they wanted me to reduce the guide a little bit, so I did. I made it more affordable. So if you go to the link down below, you can get the repair letters still for $1. The and the form, and then also you can pick up the guide, and I reduced that too. So the next time, Tony Hill, hey, make sure you guys stay 6 feet back, be safe, wear your mask when you go out. Tony Hill, making sense of credit. Peace.